Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eddie and today we're going to talk about 5 different side hustle ideas you can start as a complete beginner, whether you're working from home or you have a full-time job. So let's go ahead and move on and see what the best side hustles are today. And guys, before I continue, I just wanted to let you know that these are some of the side hustles that I'm currently doing, and I've been working from home for the past year now. And it's been a crazy journey for me, and I'm truly thankful for all the stuff that I've been able to accomplish. And I'm just truly excited about the opportunities I have for the future. And in making this video, I really hope that I can inspire you and honestly start a side hustle of your own, or even your another full-time business. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe. I'm going to be talking about different topics. And if you guys want to comment and let me know if there's anything that you've tried out in the past few months or something that you've been wanting to try, just comment that in this comment section below. So I'm just going to get started now. So side hustle idea number 1 is going to be freelancing. And you're going to want to be freelancing on different services and marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Contra. And then depending on your type of expertise, there's going to be different marketplaces for different type of categories. So I know if you're like a designer, you can sign up for a company like 99 Designs. And if you're like a copywriter, there's like iWriter.com, and you can create blog posts for people. So this is a great way to get started in the online space if you're just a complete beginner. And this is what I would consider active income. So active income is something that you work for per on an hour basis or on a contract, and you get paid for that service when it's done. So side hustle like that is really great to get started. And I would recommend it to anybody who has some kind of expertise or some kind of leverage, and they can use that skill in a marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra. So side hustle number 2, which is probably one of my favorites now, is starting a blog. So blogging has been a huge part of my success with starting a side hustle. And I have been blogging for about a year and 1 month, I believe. And I published my first post in December of 2020. So this has been an awesome journey for me because I've been able to earn money through affiliate revenue and also leverage it as in building my authority for my name and my site. So blogging is a great way to have a long-term business, and it is definitely something that you would have to do on the side, because I wouldn't recommend doing this when, by quitting your job and just focusing on full-time. You're really going to want to have it as a side hustle at first, and then once you start seeing revenue come in from affiliate marketing, digital products, newsletters, or even like reoccurring memberships, then I would recommend to start focusing on it full-time. But starting a blog has opened up so many doors for me, and I'm currently as a coach in one of the best blogging courses, and I'm gonna link everything in the description below. But yeah, blogging has played a huge part in my side hustle success, and I didn't see results until maybe 3 to 4 months into my blog. And I look for keywords that would be monetizable. I look for affiliate programs that have really good monetary value. And slowly and surely I was able to start earning recurring revenue, and I'll probably put it somewhere on the screen, some of the screenshots, so you guys know that I'm telling you the truth. And that is definitely a great way to get started. And again, that is going to be starting a blog. So side hustle number 3 is going to be starting a credit repair business. So I started a credit repair business with my business partner Roger, and this was in the beginning of 2020, right before the pandemic. And I wanted to say that credit repair was initially our first start as a business and a side hustle, and it was a great way to understand how to do sales, how to do business documents, how to incorporate our LLC, and just get all of the business planning done. And that really scaled us, as in not just for business but for personal growth. And you can really help a lot of people with credit repair. And you can use software like Credit Repair Cloud or DisputeBee. There's Dispute Fox, and there's so many different ways you can create an online business with credit repair. And you can become an affiliate for different credit repair monitoring services or credit repair tools, even credit cards, and you can start like a personal finance thing like that. So credit repair has played a huge part in my success as well. And that's something that I recommend. And I'm not talking about like an MLM or a network marketing company. I'm talking about starting a real credit repair business that you need to actually incorporate your LLC or your S Corp actually getting all the business license and really repairing people's credit using the FCRA and other laws with you. And that's just a great way to create a business that you can really help people with. So side hustle number 4 is going to be starting a YouTube channel. So a YouTube channel is honestly another long-term play, just like a blog, but you can actually see it recurring revenue pretty quickly if you do it right. And what I mean by this is signing up for affiliate programs that have monetary value and even possibly reoccurring commissions. So not just including my blog, but on my YouTube channel, in the beginning videos since last year, I was talking about credit repair since that's what I was doing. And I also talked about different software. And I looked up affiliate programs in that space, and I was able to find credit repair software affiliate programs, and I was also using a credit repair software at the time. So once I started telling people about that software and how it worked and how I was using it, a lot of people trusted me and they started going and using my affiliate link, which at the end of the day gave me recurring affiliate sales. So as of right now, I currently make about $4,000 per month through my blog and YouTube channel, and I just got approved for YouTube AdSense. So that's going to be another way I can earn recurring revenue and kind of like a passive income through YouTube monetization. And I'm super thankful for that. So I'm excited to see how this channel grows. And that's another reason why I wanted to, start expanding my knowledge base into side hustles, affiliate marketing, blogging, and credit repair. So that's another great way to get started, is by starting a YouTube channel. So side hustle number 5 is going to be starting a personal brand on social media. So this can be through Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, or whatever you think is best, even Pinterest. But I want to start a personal brand for this year coming up, because I know that that's going to be a huge play for content creators, for YouTubers and bloggers. And I really want to focus on building my personal brand and just creating a huge community of the same raging fans and everyone talking to each other. And you can make money from a personal brand by doing brand partnerships, deals, and just leveraging your authority. So this can be a great way to get started. And there's people like Priceless Tay on TikTok, or other creators like Brian Jung on The Credit Brian. He has another channel as well that talks about personal finance. And you have Charlie on YouTube. I respect those guys a lot, and they do insane stuff on social media. So I'm really hoping to grow my personal brand and start getting brand sponsorships and deals like that. And that's gonna be my 5th side hustle idea for this year. Well, that kind of sums up the side hustle ideas. If you guys want to see more or check out more side hustle ideas, I do have a blog on the 35 best side hustles that you could start as a complete beginner, and I'll link that in the description below. Now, if you do want to start a blog, I also have a blogging toolkit checklist that you can download completely for free, and I am not selling like a course or anything like that, and you guys can definitely check that out. And I also just want to let you guys know that there's just so many different opportunities you can do, and it's a great way to kind of dip your feet and find something that you really truly enjoy. Just like Gary Vaynerchuk has said, is that it's, as a young person, or even if you're still like in your late 30s or late 40s, and you're just trying to find a passion, or you're just trying to find a way to earn extra income, there's nothing wrong with trying different side hustles. So I'd say just go for it. If there's something that you liked in this video, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you guys' thoughts are. I'm gonna go ahead and leave everything in the description below if there's something that you truly want to try, and I'll see you guys in the next video.